Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is from the company CareMetx. They are hiring a data entry specialist. Now, CareMetx is a healthcare company. They are dedicated to supporting the patient journey by providing hub services, innovative technology, and decision-making data for pharmaceutical and biotechnology companies, as well as medical device innovators. So they are in the healthcare field. We're going to get into all of the job description. Just know that I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, and while I do my best to weed out scams, there is always a possibility that things could slip through. I do try to do my own research, but as always, please make sure before you're providing any of your personal information to any of these companies that you are doing your own research as well. And if you're interested in applying, the link to this page is in the YouTube description box below this video. But CareMetx is looking for a data entry specialist, someone to maintain effective systems to support the timely release of accurate information to their clients. You'll be responsible for the intake of all program-specific correspondence, including mail, inbound fax documents, all of those things. When you get those documents, you'll log information into the appropriate databases and triage all program-specific mail to the appropriate reimbursement case advocate, reimbursement specialist, or management team. So you'll basically be documenting the correspondence into the system and routing it to the appropriate team to work it or handle it. You'll be responsible for payer research and territory assignment management as well. Now, while this job is going to be 90% non-phone data entry, you may have to assist with inbound call volume as needed if the regular customer service team is overwhelmed. Other than that, you may also have to run daily reports and distribute those reports to the correct teams. Now, this position does not require any kind of college degree. They are looking for someone who has 1 year or more experience in some kind of customer service or healthcare environment, so it does not have to be healthcare experience. And remember, customer service can be anything from being a server in a restaurant to a cashier in a retail department store. They're also looking for someone who has strong computer skills, can be a team player, can be organized, and have a great attention to detail and strong time management skills. Now, if that is something you're interested in, they start out to pay anywhere from $15 an hour all the way up to $16.50 an hour. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, always feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.